जाय पाणी आसी, जनी जाय पाणी.
Namaskar, welcome to the 11th offering of our Bari. Woman expression, woman mind has been explored by many saints, such as in Viranis or Virahinis, Sant Jnaneshwar, or Sant Eknath in his Virahinis and Gaudani, or Naika Bhav of Sant Tukaram. However, among the female saint poets, there is one name which is predominant, and that name comes as a prime name, not because of the status of that person within the society, but it is the breadth and also the variety in the poetry that we can take from her, and that's none other than Santa Janabai. Santa Janabai, she was a servant with Sant Namdev. She was born to a couple of Ganga Khed, Karunda and Dama. However, her mother expired at her childhood itself, and that is why Santa Janabai was given as a servant with Sant Namdev's father, and then since the childhood she has grown with the family of Sant Namdev. In her Abhanga also she calls herself as Namyachid Jani. That means I am the servant of Namdev. However, she was not ashamed of being a servant. She is not ashamed of being a woman also. In certain kind of Abhanga, she says, Stri Janma Mhanuni na bhave udasa. Since you have got the life of a woman, don't get upset, because many women she must have seen, they are getting upset because they are women and societal status, social status or conditions. She is talking about certain aspects of being in this world and accepting the things with pride and with steadfastness. In her poetry we can see multiple facets. In one of the facets she says, Rajai Gonai Akhandita Tuze Pai. She is expressing this thing to Vithala. Maza Thevi Ale Dwari Nicha Mhanuni Baheri. So there are three gunas, Sattva Guna, Rajo Guna and Tamo Guna. The first one is Sattva Guna, second one is Rajo Guna, and third one, which is the lowest, is Tamo Guna. So she says Rajai Gonai, that means Sattva Guna and Rajo Guna. These two gunas which are pure, you have kept at your feet. You have kept me away from you at the doorstep. Is it because I am coming from a low status? This is the question, and this is also a question, and this is a demand which has been put in by a bhakt to Vitthal, that you cannot do this thing. You have to treat me equal. She further says in one of her Abhanga, Maya meli bapa mela, आता सांभाळा विठ्ठला, मी ग तुझे लेकरू, नको मजसी अभेरू. She is aware that she doesn't have, she is orphan, she doesn't have parents. She says, my mother has died, father has died. Now you are the one who is going to take care of me, O Vithala. I am a kid of you. Please do not let me go away from you. That is what this beautiful Abhanga says. However, her Abhanga are not so innocent also. There is certain kind of tact that she plays within her Abhanga, and she makes or compels Vithala to accept as what she is. She says, Ganga geli Sindhu pashi tene abhairali thisi. That means if Ganges goes to the Bay of Bengal, and Bay of Bengal says that I am not going to accept you, where will she go? This is the question that she has asked. Tara sangave kavanala, I say boliba Vithala. Then whom to tell this thing, O Vithala, tell me. She further says, Jala kope jalachara, mata avheri lekara, jani mhane sharana ale, अव्हेरिले ब्रीद केले. If someone who is living in the water, fish or maybe anything which lives in the water, if water rejects them, where will they go? If mother rejects the kid, where will the kid go? In the same way, I have come to you. Where are you going to let me go? You cannot let me go away from you. You have to accept me. In her Abhanga, she has multiple relationship with Vithala. Sometimes kid, sometimes Sakha, friend. In one, she becomes a policeman and she says, धरिला पंढरीचा चोर, गळा बांधून या दोर, हृदय बंदिवान केला, आत विठ्ठल कोंडला. There is one big thief in Pandharpur. I have tied him with the rope and I have pushed him in the cage of my heart, and inside Vitthal is caged. So she is saying that he is like a thief. He has stolen my chitta, my intelligent, my everything that is humanly possible has been taken by this particular thief, and he has stolen. So I have captured that kind of a thief. She also gets angry with Vithala and she gives bad words to Vitthal. She says, अरे अरे विठ्ठ्या, मुळ मायेच्या कारट्या, तुझी रांड रंडकी झाली, जन्म सावित्री चुडाल्याली, तुझे गेले मढे, तुला पाहून काळ रडे, उभी राहून अंगणी, शिव्या देत दासीजनी. So she is angry. She is saying, oh Vithala, Vitthya, she says Vitthya, with utmost disrespectful name to Vithala. Vitthya, मुळ मायेच्या कारट्या. She knows that the universe has been created by him, but still says, oh the kid of whom the universe has got created, तुझी रांड रंडकी झाली. So he says, whoever has kept relationship with you has become widow, and the widow is becoming widow again. Janma Savitri Chudalyali. There is a concept of Saubhagyavati. If there is someone whose husband is alive and she is called as Saubhagyavati, she wears bangles, that is called as Chuda. So if she is wearing Chuda, you are giving more Chuda to her. What is the use? Tujhe gele madhe. She says to ultimately that universal truth that is dead. Tula pahun kaal rade. Someone who is time itself, she says the time is crying on you. Ubhi rahuna angani. I am standing here in front of so many people and I am giving you bad words. Such beautifully she has expressed her innocence and her being a true devotee. She has never been seen that she is sitting, meditating, contemplating on the image of the God and then receiving God as a blissfulness or something. She is seeing God in her daily activity. As a servant, her daily activity would be sweeping, swabbing, cleaning vessels, pouring water, fetching water, many things. As a servant. So she says, जनी जाया पाणी असी, मागे धावे ऋषिकेशी, पाणी रांजनाथ भरी, सडा सारवण करी. If Jani wants water, Lord will come. Lord comes and helps her, and then he pours water in the earthen pot and he is also cleaning the area. Jani jaya शेणासाठी, when she is going to pick the cow dung for cleaning and making the house, she says, उभा आहे तिच्या पाठी. He is standing behind her. तांबराची कास खोवी. Vitthal wears pitambar, so he is lifting the pitambar, putting it so that it doesn't get dirty, and he picks up that load of cow dung and walks behind Janabai. Such kind of orders also she would give to Vithoba. Where will she see the Vithoba or God? So she says, Deva khate deva pite devavari minne jate. देव देते देव घेते देवा सवे व्यवहारिते, देव येथे देव तेथे देव विण नाही रीते, जनी म्हणे विठ्ठलाबाई भासती उरले अंतर्बाही. I eat God, I drink God, I sleep God, I give God, I take God, I receive God, I do transactions of God. God is here, God is there, God is everywhere, and Janabai is in and out filled with God. She also has certain kind of secret relationship with Vitthala. She says, एके रातीचे समयी देव आले लवलाही, सुख शेजे पहुडले, जनी सवे गुज बोले, गुज बोलता बोलता निद्रा आले अवचिता, उठा उठा चक्रपाणी उजाडले. The night secretly Lord came, slept next to Janabai. Janabai started opening her heart. During that time, the time passed, the entire night passed, and early in the morning, this God has got into sleep. And Jani found that it is early morning. She is waking the Lord and saying, "O Chakrapani, O God, get up and go out of this house. Otherwise, people will laugh at me and laugh at you." She becomes rebellious also. She says, "I am just like a prostitute. If it comes to bhakti and to show the devotion to the Lord, I can be a prostitute also. डोईचा पदरा आला खांद्यावरी, भरल्या बाजारी जाईन मी, हाती घेईन टाळ खांद्यावरी विणा, आता मज मना कोण करी, जनी म्हणे देवा झाले मी बेसवा, निघाले केशवा घर तुझे." In such conditions, I can be a prostitute for you, O Lord. I don't care who talks to me in what language. I am filled with your love. She says that if she gets married, Rukmini, wife of Vitthala, will get angry, and who will take care of that? So she says, "Vithoba, you are going to take care of that." So in this Abhanga she says, "Vitthala म्हणते त नको रुक्मिणी डाकफरू, जनी आपलेले करू, आल वस्तीला पाखरू." O Rukmini, don't shout at Janabai. She is in the abode of Vitthala and she has come into the shelter of us. Today we are going to listen to one of the beautiful Abhanga of Janabai. It has been sung for us by Mrs. Varsha Pandit. We will understand that Abhanga and then we will listen the beautiful Abhanga. झाड लोट करी जनी केर भरी चक्रपाणी, पाटी घेऊन या शिरा, नेऊन या टाकी दोरी, ऐसा भक्तीसी भुलला, नीच कामे करू लागला, जनी म्हणे विठोबाला काय उतराई हो उतला. She says, when I am sweeping and swabbing, the wastage or the waste is picked up by the Chakrapani. Chakrapani means Vishnu, who holds the chakra. Now she is giving different connotation to Chakrapani, one who runs the universe. And she says, when I am sweeping and swabbing, the one who runs the entire world on his fingertip, he has come down to take the wastage and put it away from the house. She says he holds it on his head and then he puts it into the dustbin. Aisa bhakti si bulala. He has given up everything because of my pure devotion. And this pure devotion has called him, and he is doing all these little small things which are not important for him. What is important for a universal truth is to run the universe. But then he has come down at my doorstep. He is doing all little small things of me. Jani म्हणे विठोबाला काय उतराई हो तुला. So she says, "O Lord, you have come to help me. How will I repay to you?" We can learn few things from Santa Janabai's life. Is that if you are pure devotion, no matter which language you talk to your Lord, that Lord listens and that Lord takes care of you. No, it may not be a Lord, it can be a person also. If you are into that intimate relationship with that person, the person will accept you as you are and the person will come for you anytime, anywhere. Ramakrishna Hari.
झाड लोट करी जनी केर भरी चक्र पाणी झाड लोट करी जनी केर भरी चक्र पाणी झाड लोट करी जनी केर भरी चक्र पाणी झाड लोट करी जनी पाटी घेऊन या शिरी 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 नेऊन या टाकी दुरी नेऊन या टाकी दुरी नेऊन या टाकी दुरी नेऊन या टाकी दुरी केर भरी चक्र पाणी झाड लोट करी जनी केर भरी चक्र पाणी झाड लोट करी जनी ऐसा भक्ति सी भूलरा ऐसा भक्ति सी भूलरा ऐसा भक्ति से भूलरा ऐसा भक्ति से भूलरा ऐसा भक्ति से भूलरा ऐसा भक्ति से भूलरा नीच कामे करू लागला नीच कामे करू लागला नीच कामे करू लागला नीच कामे करू लागला ऐसा भक्ति से भूलला नीच कामे करू लागला झाड लोट करी जनी केर भरी चक्र पाणी झाड लोट करी जनी जनी म्हणे विठोबाला 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 काय उतराई हो तुला काय उतराई हो तुला झाड लोट करी जनी केर भरी चक्र पाणी झाड लोट करी जनी केर भरी चक्र पाणी झाड लोट करी जनी केर भरी चक्र पाणी केर भरी चक्र पाणी केर भरी चक्रपाणी